Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do a sit down video today just because I miss talking to you guys and I miss like actually, filming, not just doing voiceovers. So I wanted to take you guys along for the look that I'm doing today. Obviously you saw it in the thumbnail. I have no idea what I'm doing yet, but it has to do with like brown. So I'm gonna be using these like red what do you call these, little sequins, and I feel like I'm just gonna like blow it out up here. I got these, I don't know if I mentioned already, but I got these off Amazon. So if you're looking for a little heart sequence or something like that, that's like a good place to look. Go ahead and see if I can link them down below. And you're also going to need some lash glue. And then I think I want to do some brown in the crease today. So I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I don't really like Jaclyn Hill, but I love this palette. So I'm using a Morphe G24. And I'm just going to be taking, dude, I haven't used this in forever, Silk Cream. And I'm just going to be putting that all in the crease. So I actually have makeup on already from the day. This is like my really light makeup for work. I'm thinking of doing like a quick tutorial on my everyday makeup after Valentine's Day, because my makeup has changed a lot. I get up at 5 in the morning now for work and stuff, so girl, I don't got time to do the full face that I used to. It used to take me like an hour to do my makeup, and girl, now I want to sleep. So I got eyelash extensions because like I said, I used to wake up at 5 in the morning to do my makeup, and now I wake up at 5:45 because girl, I need that 45 more minutes of sleep. Okay, so after that, I'm going to be taking the yellowish color in this, like the yellowish orange, and that one is called Creamsicle. I remember I used to love this shade like so much, and I'm just putting that in the crease as like a quick transition color. Then I'm taking Pukey, which is the freaking like shit brown color, but I love that color so much in this palette. And I'm basically gonna just tap this on. I haven't worn eyeshadow since I got my eyelash extensions because I'm really trying to save them. Like keep them looking cute as long as possible because I'm poor now. Ever since I lost my job during quarantine. But yeah, like I was saying, like ever since quarantine, I have been broke, dude. Like I lost my job. I don't know if you guys are going through that as well. I got another job, but it doesn't pay as well. So I'm out here just, struggling. It's not going to stop me from doing makeup. Ooh, this Equal Tools brush right here is kind of everything. Okay, I think that's it for the brown. I don't know if you guys could tell, but my makeup is like lightweight patchy. Oh, I don't use powder anymore, and honestly my face is loving it so much. But like I was saying, there's like, my face is patchy because I don't use powder anymore and like these masks, So I'm just gonna touch up my like chin area because it gets erased because of the mask. Okay. And then I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer and my bronzer brush. Hello, where are you? And I'm just going to like fix up the patchiness of the mask. Cool. I'm gonna like touch up my blush. So for blush, for like the longest time, I've been using this Anastasia blush trio. I don't know if you guys been following me for a minute, but I love peach blushes like so much. Like peach blushes are my shit. So I just dab in the peach one and in the like pinky one. I like looking like an anime princess, so I use it kind of a lot, but like look how cute. Next, I am gonna apply these like heart things. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna need some tweezers for this look. I am going to grab the heart in the position that I'm going to put it in, and I am going to put a little dot of glue on the back. This is what it's going to look like. Focus, focus. Yeah, okay. It's in the corner, but you guys can tell. It's literally just a little dot, and I'm going to show you this. I'm just going to start placing them on there, and then you guys kind of get the deal. It's super, super simple. Should we start one like right here? I don't know. And I'm literally just going to keep on doing this. And this look is going to be like lightweight, time consuming, just because of this like repetitive motion and the fact that there's going to be so many. Other than that, it should be a really simple look for you guys to follow. And I'm actually gonna do the glue on the table now. That way I could do like a few at a time. Oh, that is not working. Look what happened. The whole thing got stuck, so that didn't work. Yeah, I don't know about that. They're getting stuck and my fingers are getting like all sticky. So just keep doing it the way I showed you guys. I am debating if I want to put one more, like, right, let's see. Everything's getting stuck to my fingers now. Fuck. Debating if I want to put one, like, right here. Yeah, I do. And again, I'm just using the little glue, and I'm just putting a little dot on the back of it. Letting it get a little bit tacky, just like, I mean, it's lash glue, so just like with your lashes, you don't want to put it right away because then it's gonna like slip around. So you want to just wait a tiny bit, and then I'm gonna zoom you guys in because at first I have no idea what I was doing. So I'm just gonna do the other side. I don't know if you guys have been noticing, but I'm doing like less makeup because of the work thing, like I said earlier, and I kind of been like over the full face makeup for a while. I just like don't I never knew what to do, and the lashes really like helped me love my face a little bit more, if that makes sense. So I'm really happy that I got them. And I'll go ahead and tag her as well down below, but you should definitely show her some support if you live in the Bay Area. Sorry, I'm talking like really crazy. You should definitely show her some support if you live in the Bay Area. She's like really affordable. I'm not gonna put them like exactly in the same spots. I'm kind of gonna just like improvise because I think it looks cuter if I just, you know, if it's not exactly symmetrical. Honestly, my eye shape, like the way that my eyes are set up, they're not symmetrical anyways. Like I feel like I have more lid space on this side than this side. like really sad that Valentine's Day is like almost over, because there's always like so many freaking cute and like just unique looks that I see on Instagram and stuff during this time, and I love that. I think this is gonna be my last one. Oh no, I'm doing one right here too. So I was trying to figure out if I wanted to put one on the bottom or not, and my boyfriend said to do it, so I'm gonna do it. I think that's super cute. And then while I was on the phone, I put like foundation over my lips. I always do that when I do lipstick. That way it can come out really crisp and like perfect. For my lips, I am gonna just do my usual red combo. This is the Hot Fire Desi X Katie lipstick. And I put that in the middle. But that one's really orange. So I always use this one. This one's like more of like a blue tone. And I just line my lips with this. Okay, this wasn't the red that I'm looking for. Y'all are gonna come for me for always using this freaking palette, but I'm sorry. This is the Mayron Paradise Paint Palette, and I'm just taking this like red color. Yes, that's what I thought. And to be honest, I don't know if you could use this for your face or like, no, not for your face, for your lips. Oh my god, I like that red way better. And I'm actually gonna add some brown. I don't know if you guys know, but like I'm hella like artsy. I mean, obviously, look at the channel, but so I love like color theory and all that like nerdy art stuff. So that's how I'm able to mix colors all the time and just kind of make like what I want. And I mixed this like burgundy and this brown. I'm gonna do some quick highlight, and I'm running out of my Lip Peach highlight by Jackie Aina, so I'm just gonna use that Anastasia loose powder highlight in the shade So Hollywood. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. Just because I've been loving it so much lately is Freckles. So I'm just taking my e.l.f. angled liner brush and I'm grabbing my I'm grabbing my powder. I don't know how long this hasn't been filming, but the next thing that I'm going to be doing is taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder, this e.l.f. angled eyeliner brush. If you guys are looking for a tool to do freckles with, I definitely recommend this one, and this is like super affordable. I don't know if you guys know on this channel, but I am not in like the financial position to be like buying all the newest products. I hope you guys like understand, but I think it's a really cool way to kind of like show you guys that you guys can use the products that you have, and like cheap products like these little things, these little freckles. I mean, not the freckles, these little hearts were on Amazon for like $4, and then I just paired it with a lip. I didn't have this red lip color, so I made one with this palette. This palette obviously was an investment piece, but I use it in like every look, so yeah, I hope you guys understand. So like I was saying, this brush is like super affordable, For the freckles, I just grab like one from each side. So I'll do like dark and I'll do a few freckles. And then I'll get the light color and I'll do a few freckles like that. That way there's like a variation in the freckles. Just kind of focus them right here in the nose and right here in the cheeks. As you guys saw earlier, I just like loaded the blush up, so the freckles is a nice way to kind of tone it down, you know? After, I just grab my finger and I just kind of go over them. That way they kind of get like faded. And that is everything for this look. I'm so sorry that my camera like turned off. I hope you guys really enjoyed this simple and easy Valentine's look. I really appreciate you watching this video, and if you liked it, make sure to give this video a, let me zoom out a little bit, hold up. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see pictures of this look and all my other looks. I like to keep my content artsy and like aesthetically pleasing, so if you guys are into that, go ahead and follow me. The link will be down below. Hopefully I have another Valentine's video, but if not, I hope you guys have a really beautiful Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.